because I've been there before. Oh, that left me close. Your words cut deeper than a knife. So I need someone to bring me back to life. But the feelings I'm going under. But I know that I make it out alive. I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me beat until I can't breathe. Shaking slowly onto my knees. Standing up without your kisses. I've been eating stitches. Dripping over my tail. Aching, begging you to come home. I've been up without your kisses. I've been eating stitches. Just like a monster running. I couldn't stand your bitter heart cause you come. I'm gonna let all what comes today. That's my but I feel like I'm going under. But I know that I'm making it alive. Keep calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. And I've been up without your kisses. I've been needing stitches, tripping on my myself. I'm aching, begging you to come home. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. Even if it's good, gotta put you on my mind. Needing this red, gotta win this girl. Needing in the good, gotta put you on my mind. Needing in the good, gotta win this girl. Needing in the good, gotta put you on my hand. Needing in the good, gotta win that day. Needing in the good, gotta get you on my head. On my head. You watch me finish and I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling into my knees. Not being up without your kisses. I've been needing stitches, tripping over myself. I'm aching, begging you to come home. Now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches without your kisses. I've been needing stitches. And without your kisses, I really stitches. If I got left to win, will I still sit would you love me the same if I showed you my phone? If I couldn't be strong, understand? Would you love me the same? I judge your life, baby, you stay by my side. If you want to say goodbye, tell me right now. If I judge your life, baby, that's the things in life. Show the way to be alright. Let's show me what you know. Baby, with a confidence, spend your whole life in this. And it's there when you hold me down. Baby, don't lie to me, living in everything. So I know no one's around. If I felt like no way, will I see no people? Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same if I showed you my faults? If I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? You don't the dang dang. None of really don't need much. and I can't try. But the same money lost. Sometimes my said it just to set my heart. Should a little bit in. Show me what you know. Loving things that I want. You got the healing that I want. Just like the saying the song. And there's a song that's loving pain get along. We got to think after ourselves. Don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secret to yourself. Come and set your show with God. Whoa, there's something in your eyes that will pull us make closer. It's a third us, I'm a trouble, but I love and be in trouble with you. It's Marvin Gaye and Daddy Lord. You got the healing that I want. Just like the say in the song, until the dawn, let Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got to give it up to me. I'm screaming mercy, please. Just like the say in the song, until the dawn, let Marvin Gaye and get it on. And when you let me all alone, I'm like a stray without a home. I'm like a dog without a bone. I just want to hold my own. I thought you had to say, oh, there's something in your eyes that just pulls me closer. It's absurd, oh, I'm in trouble, but I'm better to be trouble with you. Marvin Gaye. You got the feeling that I want. You so hung into the darkness, Marvin Gaye, get along. You're gonna get along. You got the healing that I want. Just like to say in the song, I till the dawn, it's Marvin Gaye, get along, but you got to give it up to me. I'm screaming mercy, please. Just like to say in this song, I feel that mommy can't get along. Just like to say in this song, I feel that mommy can't get along. Peace out, YouTube. If you want my video, please subscribe this, and I will subscribe you back.